Welcome to the SAP Cloud ERP 2602 AI Innovations Highlights. My name is Yannick Peterschmitt from Cloud ERP and SCM Product Success, and this is my digital twin. In day-to-day business, progress rarely comes from big moments. It comes from small decisions made well. With SAP Cloud ERP 2602, AI quietly supports these decisions across core business processes, helping teams stay focused on what matters while keeping work moving. Spanning multiple lines of business and industries, these innovations help increase efficiency, improve productivity, and deliver measurable value. In this video, we'll take a quick look at selected AI innovations from SAP Cloud ERP 2602 and how they support everyday work across core business processes. Rather than introducing AI as a separate layer, these capabilities are embedded directly into finance, sales, manufacturing, and procurement workflows. You'll see how task-specific intelligence and conversational access through Joule help turn information into action, supporting faster decisions and reducing manual effort. A single misclassified product can delay shipments, trigger compliance checks, or create costly follow-ups. The International Trade Classification Agent supports specialists by proposing tariff numbers and commodity codes based on product characteristics and trade regulations, and clearly explaining how each suggestion was derived. What used to be careful manual lookup becomes informed validation, with transparency and auditability built in. The result is less repetitive work and fewer errors, cutting classification effort by up to 50%. Let's look at a few examples of how we help transform operations across different lines of business. Let's get started with finance. Understanding product profitability often starts with a simple question: what changed and why? With period comparisons and AI-generated insights, the Product Profitability Review booklet helps sales accountants spot meaningful shifts in margins and cost of goods sold more quickly. Instead of scanning reports line by line, users are guided to the areas that deserve attention. This turns analysis into a clearer starting point for discussion and decision-making. Next, let's move to situation handling. When critical issues surface in day-to-day operations, the real challenge is often not awareness, but knowing what to do next. This is where AI-assisted situation handling comes into play, supporting business users by complementing automated alerts with context-aware guidance tailored to their roles and responsibilities. By capturing situation data together with its business context, the system can generate targeted recommendations that help users assess options and act more quickly. Customizable prompts and the ability to incorporate data from SAP, third-party and external sources ensure that advice reflects real operational conditions. In practice, this leads to faster resolution of situations, cutting response times by up to 70%, and helps teams stay focused on decisions rather than diagnostics. In the sales area, teams still receive many purchase orders as PDFs, scans, or images that don't fit neatly into systems. With automatic sales order creation from unstructured data, these documents can be uploaded and converted into sales order requests with proposed values, ready for review. Manual transcription turns into a short validation step. This keeps order intake moving while freeing up time for customer-facing work. In procurement, a simple question about a purchase requisition can still mean jumping between apps and document numbers. With conversational search in Joule, users can ask directly about the status of local or central purchase requisitions and their follow-on documents, using familiar references like requisition numbers or cart IDs. Answers are returned in one place without breaking the flow of work. This makes everyday follow-ups faster, simpler, and far less disruptive. SAP Cloud ERP 2602 shows how AI can support everyday work in a natural and integrated way. By combining task-specific agents with conversational access through Joule, intelligence becomes part of how teams plan, decide, and act across core business processes. Looking ahead, this approach lays the foundation for even more adaptive and supportive enterprise processes, where people stay in control and systems work alongside them. Thanks for watching. And keep an eye out as we continue to share what's next in the evolution of SAP Cloud ERP, and join us on SAP Community to tell which innovation you think will make the biggest impact.